Today's post notification shout out goes out to Herbalist Music. Go over his channel and subscribe. He's on his way to 1,000 subscribers. Tell him that Dekibu sent you. Guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Dekibu, and I'm here with another video, obviously, because I'm doing a video. I'm just gonna do a little bit of encouragement, morning encouragement, of course. Yes, so recently I felt like I was gonna give up YouTube. I felt like just to stop because it makes no sense, right? And I'm even made a video saying that I'm gonna give up. There's something on my DP which I'm going to put in this video, and when I'm looking at it real good, why give up when you're in the middle of the race? Why give up when you're almost to your destiny? Why give up? It makes no sense. You give up when you're near. Some of the times I feel like, say, we are nowhere near the end when we are just this close. This close, I tell you, this close to our destiny. So never give up. None of you never give up on life. Never give up anything you do. You say you're gonna start something, you start it, and never give up until you're finished. Because some of the times it's not even you saying that you want to give up, because you know say you love doing the thing, right? You know you love doing it. So why that thought comes to your mind? That's the thing, our mind sometimes deceive us. And as Christians would say, the devil the devil would put things in your mind to make you feel like it's not worth it. But I just want to say to you guys, anything you're doing in life, just make sure that you never give up. Never give up until you finish. If there's a reason why you have to give up and it's not worth it, like I'm not tell you say everything in life you're gonna know say you're gonna continue, but some things don't give up on. So I'm not giving up on YouTube. I know what I want for my life. Yes, so thank you guys for watching this short video. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe if you're not a subscriber as yet. What are you waiting on? What are you waiting on? Help me out. A girl almost reached there, guys, and a girl wants to reach there, guys, and a girl wants to continue, guys. So peace.